Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to export your Monday.com data to Power BI using the Power BI connector. First, make sure you have at least one dashboard in your workspace. The connector works as a dashboard widget. Next, go to the Monday.com marketplace and search for Power BI connector. Click Install and follow on-screen steps. Select all workspaces. Select Dashboard and proceed to your instance. You will need to authorize the application and make sure if you have access to several instances that the right instance is selected. Now we are invited to create our first data source. Let's give it a name, optional description, select workspace, select board, and select the fields that we need. We have plenty of fields, including tables, including items, sub-items, activity logs, and so on. So let's select everything we have in items and click Save. Let's now connect to Power BI. To do this, copy the URL link that is generated and switch over to Power BI. Here go to Get Data or Data Feed. Paste the link and select Basic Authentication. For username, use your email. For password, get back to the connector. Go to Settings and copy access token. If you want to accelerate your export, you can use also personal token that has higher API rate limits. We see that all our tables are here, and let's load them. While they are loading, let's see other features of Power BI connector. We also have integration with a Trackit. In order to get data from Trackit, you just need to add Trackit token. You can also share, edit, or clone your data source at any time. You can also view entity relationship diagram for the whole instance or for a specific data source. On the data source history page, you can find all the recent changes and updates that were made to the data source. And if you need help, you can send support requests or check our detailed documentation. You can even create data sources if you wish directly from the board using Sidekick tool. Now let's get back to Power BI and see the data. As you see, the data is here, and you can start analyzing and building your graphs. Enjoy using Power BI connector and happy analyzing!